Good morning, my dear students. So yesterday class, we discussed single linked list, and double linked list operations. Today I am going to give the example on single linked list. Give the demo on single linked list. How to insert an element in the linked list at the beginning of the linked list, middle of the linked list, and end of the linked list. So then, how to delete an element from the linked list? So delete an element from the first position of the linked list, middle position of the linked list, and end of the linked list, and double linked list. Okay, today I am going to give you an example. So with the help of code, so algorithm. So simple 8 types of linked list. How many types? Mainly 4 types. The first one is single linked list, second one is double linked list, and the third one is circular single linked list, and the fourth one is circular double linked list. These are the linked list. So today I'm going to give an example on single linked list. Okay, ma, and double linked list. Here single linked list, we know. So then this is a single linked list. So how to create a node in single linked list? Then this is an example for single linked list. Single linked list is also called one-way list. Single linked list is also called one-way list. So this is the chain. Single linked list is also called chain. So like this is chain. Clear? One-way list also called. It is also called one-way list. Clear all of you. So how to create a node? So this is the node structure. We know very well. Then here struct, so integer data and node asterisk next. Here node asterisk next. We are using node asterisk next. All of you listen. So then integer data. This is a structure. Structure is a simple here struct. Struct is a user defined data type. Am I right or not? Node is the structure name. So these two are the members of the structure. Data and asterisk next. So here asterisk next, it is a structure data type, it is an integer data type. Data is an integer data type. Next is a structure data type. It is a next is a pointer variable. It means if it is a pointer variable, it holds the address of the another structure variable. Clear? Why? Because it is a structure variable. Star next is a structure pointer variable. That's why. So it holds the address of the another structure variable. Clear? Another structure variable. So this is the node. All of you. This is the node. So it contains how many parts? Two parts. The first part is the data part, and the last part is the next part. Next part means it holds the address of the another variable. It holds the address of the another variable. Clear? All of you. Then the next one is, so next one is come here. So next slide. So this is the operations on single linked list. These are the operations on single linked list or chain. So the following are the operations of single linked list. First one is insertion, second one is deletion, display. These three are the operations. The first one is insertion operation. So in single linked list, the insertion operation can be performed in three ways. The first one is insert at the beginning of the list. Second one is insert at the end of the list. Insert at a specific location in the list. Clear? The first operation is inserting at the beginning of the list. Inserting at the beginning of the list. First of all, we want to create a list. So simply I want to add 5 elements in the list. For example, this is the single linked list. This is the single linked list. The first one is node data part. Then the next one is this is the another node. So then this is the another node. This is the another node. All of you. So simply here 10. Next one is 20. Next one is 30. So this to next. This is data part. This is next part. This is also data part. Next one is next. This is also data part. next one is next. Clear all of you? Next one is next part. Okay, ma? Next. So then next this data, this is for example, so this is header node or start node. Okay, this is start node or header node. Then this is the, for example, this is new node, new node, new node to next equal to this one. So new node equal to new node to next. This is one new node. Again, so okay, then simply next one is new node to next equal to this one. Then there is no node. Then new node to next equal to null. New node to next equal to null. Clear all of you? This linked list is created. Linked list is created. Okay, all of you. Linked list is created. Then I want to insert an element at the beginning of the linked list. I want to insert an element at the beginning of the. So first of all, I want to create a new node. This is new node. This is new node. This is data part, and this is next part. This is new node. So where I can insert at the beginning of the list. A new node to data equal to, for example, 40. So new node to data equal to 40. Then new node to next equal to here start node. New node to next equal to start node. Clear? New node to next equal to start node. Start node address assigned into new node to next. Then your start equal to new node. Then start equal to new node. Clear? Where is the start place? New node. New node and start both are at first position. Clear all of you? Then here simply create a node. New node to data equal to 40. Then new node to next equal to starting node, where start equal to new node. Start equal to new node. Clear? Start equal to new node. All of you. This is an inserting element at the beginning of the linked list. So then here beginning of the linked list. I want to insert an element at second place. This is 0, 1, 2. Second place. Again, want to create a new node. So it has two parts. The first part is the data part, and the next part, and the next part. So data part, data new node. This is also new node. This is also new node. Again, created a new node. Okay. Then the next one is new node is created. So new node to data equal to 50. Then a new node to next equal to, for example, which after element you want to insert after 10. Then current next here 1, 2. Then current position equal to here. Clear all of you? Then the next one, new node to next equal to new node to next equal to current. Which one is current to next? Current to next. Which address? Current to next equal this address. The address assigned into this new node to next. This means this one. Clear all of you? Then the next one is new node to current node to next equal to new node. Current node to next equal to new node. Current node to next equal to new node. Current node to next equal to current node to next equal to new node. New node. Current to next equal to new node. Current to next. This address assigned into this memory location. Inserting middle of the linked list. Clear? So the first one is inserting an element at the beginning of the linked list, inserting middle of the linked list, and I want to insert an element at the end of the list. Middle of the list, starting of the list, then end of the list. End of the list, all of you. Then again, here also creating a new node. Again, this is the last node. We know this is the last node. This is last node. Clear? So last to next equal to null. Then creating a new node. Creating a new node. creating a new node. This is the new node. This is data part. This is the data part, and this is the next part. This is new node. New node to data equal to, for example, 60. Clear? 60. Then this is last to next equal to new node. Last to next equal to new node. Last to next equal to new node. Clear? This address assigned into this one. Last to next equal to new node. New node to next equal to null. New node to next equal to null. Then the last equal to new node. Last equal to new node. Clear? All of you? So then, according to our algorithm, see all of you, our algorithms. So then, according to our algorithms, so you simply create a new node called temp or new node, whatever you want. Then temp to data equal to x value 50, 40, 60. Clear? Temp to next equal to start. Temp to next equal to start. Here temp to, this is new node. New node to next equal to start. Am I right? New node to next equal to start. Then the next one is start equal to temp. Then start equal to new node. Start equal to new node. Clear all of you? Start equal to new node. This is an algorithm. So this is an algorithm. This is used to insert an element at the beginning of the list. It is an algorithm. It is used to insert an element at the beginning of the list. Clear all of you? Then next algorithm is, next algorithm is insert element at anywhere in the list. So last, end of the list. So simply here also create a new node that is called temp or new node. New node to data equal to read a value. Next one is temp to next equal to null. Clear? End of the list. So this is new node to next equal to null. Then there is called temp, here is called a new node. That's enough. Then there is no difference. The node is created, node to data equal to 60, and node to next equal to null. Clear? Node to next equal to null. All of you. While last to next is not equal to null. Okay. Last equal to last to next. Repeat the same. When it is null, then this to next equal to new node to next equal to null, then this is equal to last. Clear? All of you? So then the next one is inserting at a specific location in the list, which position you want to insert an element. For example, second place. Then is it possible to insert? Yes, possibility is there. Clear? Possibility is that this is a list here inserted. Clear all of you? So this is a list. So then inserted. Okay, ma. So then simply, so inserting specific location. Algorithm, create a new node. So then new node to next equal to current node to next, new node to next equal to current node to next, then a new node, current node to next equal to new node, then repeat it, same. So before inserting a node, the single linked list, after inserting a node, third node. Clear? This is the single linked list. This is called one-way list. Then the next one is delete operations in a single linked list. Delete operations in a single linked list. Clear all of you? Delete operations in a single linked list. So we can follow the, there are three ways to delete an element from the single linked list. The first one is deleting from beginning of the list. Second one is deleting from end of the list. And the third one is deleting a specific node. Third one is deleting a specific node. The first one, deleting from beginning of the list. Which is the beginning? This is the beginning. Clear? This is the beginning. Here temp equal to start. Temp equal to start. Start equal to start to next. Then free of temp. Here temp equal to start. Then start equal to start to next. Clear all of you? Then so here in this example, I want to remove an element from the linked list. Starting. This is the starting node. This is the start. Here start equal to start to next, start to next, start to next. All of you. Here start equal to start to next. So this is the equation. Here this is start. Start equal to start to next. Then start is moved here. Then this is removed. This is removed. Clear? This is free of temp. Or simply here temp equal to start. Then start equal to start to next. Then start equal to start to next, then remove temp. This is removed. So where is the starting position? This is the starting position. So here remove an element from the linked list at the beginning of the linked list. Clear? So then the end of the linked list, then there is no problem. This is last. Last to previous equal to null. Last to previous to next equal to null. Then this is also temp removed from this list. Then this is equal to null. Okay, clear? Next one, middle of this one I want to insert. Then current to next equal to this to next. This is connected. Then this is removed. All of you. Then simply here various operations. Delete an element from the beginning of the list. Delete an element from the beginning of the list. Delete an element from the middle of the list. Delete an element from the end of the single linked list. Delete an element from the end of the single linked list. All of you. Single linked list. Clear? Then simply your linked list. So this is the linked list. This is the data part. This is the next part. So 10. Next one is the data part. This is next part 20. This is the data part. This is the next part 30. This is the data part. This is the next part 40. Then this is the linked list. Linked list. This is the linked list. So then here start. So where temp equal to start. This node assign into temporary variable. Here start to next equal to start to next equal to start equal to start to next. Start equal to where s equal to s2 next. Which is the s2 next? So where we are now, for example, in 1T08 room number. So next equal to 1208 next equal to 1207. Clear? Or 1209. 1209. So 1208 next equal to which room number? 1209. For example, here also the room number assigned into here start. So then here also, then s equal to s2 next, which is the s2 next, this one, the s position here, starting position moved. Then free of temporary variable, then remove from this list. So this is the starting position. Clear? And next one, ending position here one by one until null occur. So while so node to next not equal to null అయినంత వరకు రిపీట్ చేయాలి. When it is occur, then node to previous equal to current. Then remove this one. So node to next equal to null. Node to next equal to null. Clear? Then simply removed from this memory. Middle of the position, then this one to next equal to this one. So then simply removed from this. Clear? So in this example, share screen. So in this algorithm, beginning of the list, here temp equal to start equal to start to temp. Here s equal to s2 next. Clear? S2 next, start to next. So free of temporary, this is free, removed. This is beginning of the list. And next one is end of the list. Delete an element from the end of the list. Delete an element. So for example, where last to next not equal to null. Last to next not equal to null. If the condition true, then previous equal to last. Previous equal to last. Then last equal to last to next until occur this one. Then previous to next equal to null, free of last node. Previous to next equal to null, then free of means remove the last node. Clear? Remove the last node. So until repeat this loop. Clear? And next one is deleting a specific node from the list. Specific node, for example, this one. So then here P2 next equal to N2 next. P2 next equal to N2 next. Clear? So this one to next equal to, so this one to next, this one to next. This P2 next equal to this one to next. This address assigned into this location. Clear, all of you? Then these are the operations, delete operations in a single linked list. Clear, all of you? These are the operations on single linked list. Then I want to display all the elements from the list. While last not equal to null, then display one by one values until last node to next equal to null. If it is null, then stop the process. Clear, all of you? Then double linked list. What is double linked list? What is double linked list? Double linked list. In a double linked list. Okay, what is double linked list? Double linked list is also a linked list. So it is also linear data structure. All of you. Then in the double linked list, then there is a one facility is there. We can traverse forward and backward traversals. So then two-way list. This is called two-way list. Double linked list is also called two-way list. All of you. Double linked list is also called two-way list. Okay, ma. So in this linked list, how to create a node? How to create a node? Clear? How to create a node? So then we know in single linked list, then there is a creation, then here struct node, then node asterisk previous, integer data, node asterisk next, then structure close. So whereas in a double linked list, so each node has three parts. Each node has three parts. The first part is the previous. The first part is the previous. Next part is the data part. And the last part is the next part. So the previous part, it holds the address of the previous node. The next part, that is a pointer variable, it holds the address of the next node. Then the data part, for example, here 10, so here 20, here 30. These three are the nodes. Then the previous node, is there any previous node? No, simply null, null. So the first one, the first node previous equal to null. Then the next, listen all of you. Then the first node to next equal to new node. First node to next equal to new node. New node to previous equal to first node. Clear? Here also this node to next equal to next node. Previous node to next equal to this one. So last node to next equal to null. Last node to next equal to null. Clear? This is called double linked list. This is called double linked list. Each node, how many parts? Three parts. Each node has how many? Three parts. The first part represents the previous node address. Next part represents the data node. Next part represents the next node address or holds the next node address. Clear? Then this is the structure, struct node. So then node asterisk previous, this is a pointer variable. Pointer variable, the data type is structure. So why it takes structure? So it holds the address of the another structure variable. That's why we should define in structure. Clear? It holds the address of the another variable. That's why we should define structure variable. Node previous is a pointer variable. It holds the address of the previous node. Next one, data part, it is an integer variable. Okay, data we can store the integer element only. So node next one is asterisk next. Next is a pointer variable. It holds the address of the another. It holds the address of the another structure variable. Clear? Another structure variable. All of you. Then how to insert an element into the double linked list? How to insert an element into the double linked list? Here simply how to insert an element. First of all, you want to create a new node. This is the new node. Okay, this is the new node. So this is the previous, this is the data, this is next. Clear? Data equal to, for example, 40. Then clear, this is starting node. This is starting node. Okay, this is new node. New node to next equal to starting 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 node. This is starting node. This is new node. This is new node. New node to next equal to start. Start to previous equal to new node. Clear? Where start equal to new node. So this is, for example, 50. New node start to previous equal to null. Start to previous equal to null. Inserted? Yes or no? All of you. This is inserted. Inserted new node at the beginning of the double linked list. Only the difference is new node to next equal to new node to next equal to your start. Next one, start to previous equal to this is start to previous equal to new node. Clear? Here start equal to new node. Then the start here comes here start. Clear? So then this is the inserting double linked list element at the beginning of the list. Clear? All of you? Then the last, okay, it is the daisy. Then this is the element. Then this is data part. This is the previous part. This is the next part. This is new node. For example, this is new node. New node to previous equal to last node. New node to previous equal to last node. Clear? Last node to next equal to this one. Next data equal to 60, for example. Then new node to this one null. This is last equal to new node at the end of the double linked list. Simply we can put two links between each node, previous and next. This is the most important. So middle position here also same. Here also middle position. We want to insert an element at the middle of the. Then it is also very easy. So simply how to insert a middle. So this is the node. Clear? For example, this is 18. So current node to next equal to this one to this one equal to this one. Same here also this one. Clear all of you? Then these are the double linked list operations. I want to remove, for example, your start equal to next. Then simply remove this one. Okay. Then these are the double linked list operations. All of you. So then how to insert an element at the beginning of the list, how to remove an element from at the end of the double linked list. Okay, ma. Then so operations on double linked list. The next one is insert in double linked list. Insertion in double linked list. So this is insertion at the beginning of the double linked list. This is a new node. Insert a new node at the end of the double linked list. This is a double linked list new node. Okay, this is the code. Create a new node temp. Temp to next equal to null. Temp to previous equal to last. Last to next equal to last to next equal to temp. Clear. Last to next equal to temp. This is inserted in this location. Clear all of you. Next one, insert new node at a specific location. At a specific location, I want to insert here. So come here, create a new node temp. Temp to next equal to null. This equal to null. And next one is temp to next equal to null. Next one, temp to previous equal to p. And previous to next equal to temp. N to previous equal to temp. Clear? So inserting middle. So then deleting. Okay, the first element is deleted. So this is an algorithm for deleting an element. So delete a node at end. Delete a node at end. So this element is removed from this list. That is an algorithm. Then the next one is delete a node specific position. I want to remove an element from this location. So this is removed. Okay, this is an algorithm for removing an element at a specific position. So this is an algorithm for display operations on double linked list. So double linked list. Then here this is the two-way list. Single linked list is a one-way list. Then double linked list, two-way list. This is in this linked list, left to right and right to left traversals are there. Okay, this is an advantage. Forward and backward traversals are there. Whereas in single linked list, that is one-way list. Only forward traversal is there. Then there is no backward traversal in single linked list. Whereas in double linked list, forward and backward traversals are there. So this algorithm is used to display forward traversal. This algorithm is used to backward traversal from right to left, from right to left, then left to right. Clear all of you? So these are the operations on single linked list. Tomorrow we will discuss the circular linked list. Okay, ma? Tomorrow we will discuss circular linked list. Thank you.